Hello, this is Heather with Literacy Volunteers. Today I will read the student news for the week of Monday, December 12th, 2022. You can follow along on screen while I read aloud. Let's begin. Career-focused training programs. TJ ACE at PVCC will offer 3 classes this winter for people looking to improve their skills and English for work. To register, contact TJ ACE at pvcc.edu or 434-961-5461. For work, career fundamentals, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, 12 to 2 p.m. Students will earn an industry-recognized credential from the National Retail Federation and certificates in computer basics from Northstar. The class is open to Level 4 and 5 ESL students and native English speakers. Nurse Aid for English Language Learners, February through June daytime schedule. Students will prepare for the CNA exam while improving their English skills. Interested students need a CASAS test and an interview before the class begins. Click here to read the Certified Nurse Aid CNA job and program information. Maintenance Technician Program, January through May, will meet 2 to 3 evenings per week and occasional Saturdays. Students will prepare for entry-level employment as maintenance technicians, gain skills in electrical, HVAC, painting, mechanical, and appliance service and repairs. Click here to read the maintenance technician job and program information. Program to celebrate Latino culture. When? Monday, December 12th. Time, 6 p.m. Where? Facebook Live. The Women's Initiative in Cimbreras will host a joint program on Facebook to inform and promote mental health in the Latino community. Visit Cimbreras' Facebook page to watch the presentation. Free holiday programs at the library. 'Tis the season for family fun, holiday cheer, and community gatherings at your library. Visit jmrl.org for more details about upcoming programs and events. Holiday closings this month. The office is closed from December 24th, 2022 through January 2nd, 2023. There will be no computer time or tutoring in the office when we are closed. Please talk to your tutor about your tutoring schedule. You may meet them in another location or online. The office will reopen for regular activity on Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. The links to all of the websites and email addresses we mentioned are below this video. That's it for this week. On behalf of everyone at Literacy Volunteers, we hope you have a great week. If you should need to reach anyone, please email us at info@literacyforall.org or text 833-759-0380. Please remember to include your name.